How to fix and solve Snapchat front camera. Hola everyone, welcome in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just pay attention, make sure that you follow this video till the end. First, you don't need to open your Snapchat. Go and open your settings of your devices. After that, you have to search for apps option. Here on apps option, you have to wait until it show you here all the application that you have on your phone. As you see, it's loading. Then right now, when it show you the application, you have to search for Snapchat. Right now, search for Snapchat and go to storage option. Click on clear cache and back and click on force stop. Click OK and then go directly to Play Store, update your Snapchat, then restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.